Is 2524. This vacuum pump is pull this thing down to 28, but you should be at 30, so it's just a bad vacuum pump, gauge. But it stays at 28 for a long time. So I'm gonna shut this down. So we have a 9,000 Seville. So what we're gonna do now is we stop this, and this thing stayed at 28 for 24 hours. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to open this one for 5 seconds,
Okay.
and then close. See, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We stop. Good. So it is 2, and then 1, 2, so this is 10, 20, 25. 25 psi.
Okay.
It stay 25, no go down. Excelente.
Okay.
Because inside is 25 psi.
Okay. Okay.
So we look right now, it no go down.
Okay.
And so maybe 1 more minute.
Okay.
1 more minute. 25, no go down. Open.
Oh, okay.
Everything working.
Okay. What's wrong? Okay. Wait.
So everything looks good. Staying right there for 25. Of course, if you open it longer, it'll go higher and higher. But we just decided to stop right at 25. Maybe you can stop at 30. So it's a whole number, so your eyes don't have to be straining looking at it. And man, trying to find the torque spec is kind of difficult. But ultimately, this is a 9,000 unit, and the bigger line is 10 millimeters. The smaller line, I think, is like 5, 6, 7. 7 millimeters is a smaller line, and 10 millimeter is the big line. So according to the book, it's around 0.25 for the smaller line, and it's like 0.39 for the bigger line in millimeters, but it's these two specs. So about roughly 20 Newton meters, which is about 14 foot pounds, and let's say it's like 35, I forgot the number. However, because we put nylog in there, when you torque it, the nylog is kind of like grease. So it's not these same specs. But also checking online, people said that this Seville book isn't accurate. So like I'm really lost for what the spec is, but I think what we did was around 10 for the small one foot-pounds, and maybe 18 for the larger one, and the torque wrench stopped it at that. So could be more in real life, but because of nylog, it's that. So we stopped around those numbers. So we're about to go live here, so we should have some salt and water ready once we go live. Hello! So we do have 25 psi of pressure in here, and this thing goes up to like 550 when it's, and people are talking about soap and water that are not corrosive. I don't have any of that fancy stuff either. But it looks good there. I'm gonna put this down and get myself a ladder. Sorry for the phone. Let's go for the journey of looking at bubbles. So you notice I put my plastic cover set on before I connected everything, and that was the only thing you need to put on because it's difficult to do it after. But at 25 psi, the bubbles look good. And most important, that when you open this thing, you can hear the nitrogen leak. When you open it, these line sets, you don't hear it leak. But when you open up the main unit, you should hear some noises of the refrigerant moving. So we're good. We're not leaking. This video has like been 5 minutes long already, 6 minutes. And we're still exactly at 25. So far so good. Just waiting for the person to come out to continue. Okay, Oscar.
Okay, John.
25, no moving.
Okay.
And then agua,
No,
excelente.
Okay.
Okay, so now we close back inside.
Okay.
Okay, and then we take this one out, but but poquito frío, so momento. Let me get you the glove. All right, so we're gonna take out this one. Fast. Go, fast. Yeah. Perfecto.
Okay.
All right, so no more glasses. And then now you open this one, and you hear hear the noise.
Okay.
Maybe you hear, maybe you don't hear. Maybe already the 25. Shh. Okay, just open.
Up.
Yeah. And open this one. Okay. Now open using this one. And then no more.
Okay.
That's it? Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, agua. Okay, agua here.
Nada, John.
Okay, now you do agua. Maybe wait the agua go.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's mucho agua here.
Okay.
So bring this one over here
Up.
and check for agua there. It's good. Okay, now we have power.
Okay.
Okay, we go. Turn on.